In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate a web page directly into an email using Gmail. Whether you're sharing an article, a stunning visual design, or some important content from a website, embedding it into your Gmail message can make for a cleaner and more engaging presentation. Now let's dive into it. First, let's begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the exact web page that you want to embed in your email. Once you've located the page, ensure that all parts of it are visible so you can capture it in full detail. The process begins with taking a screenshot of the web page. This will basically be the image you'll be embedding into your email. On Windows, you can use Snipping Tool or Snip and Sketch, whereas on Mac, Command-Shift-4 will let you select the area of the screen you'd like to capture. Save your screenshot in a format that's suitable for emails, such as JPEG or PNG. Next, we need to insert this screenshot into your Gmail message. Open Gmail and click on the Compose button to create a new email. In the new message window, place your cursor in the body where you'd like to insert the screenshot. Click on the Insert Photo icon, which appears as a small picture frame in the toolbar at the bottom of the composition window. From the options, choose Upload and select the screenshot file from your computer. With this done, the image will appear in your email draft exactly where you wanted it. If you want this image to be clickable, linking back to the original web page, we need to do a couple more quick steps. Click on your image to select it within the email draft. With the image highlighted, click on the Insert Link icon, represented by a little chain link. Here, you'll paste the URL of the original web page you took the screenshot of. This turns your static image into a hyperlink that recipients can click on to visit the site directly. Keep in mind that when you click Send, depending on the recipient's email client, the image link might take a few seconds to load, so advise them of this if necessary. Lastly, make sure to add a concise subject line and write any accompanying text in your email to ensure your recipients understand what they're viewing and why it's of interest. Once everything is satisfactory, hit send, and your embedded email is on its way to making an impact. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to embedding a web page directly into your Gmail message. Feel free to experiment with different types of content to see what works best for your audience. Happy emailing!